breath. No,
Oh my God.
this is good. Doing good.
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Good. You do this side too, okay?
Oh boy.
Relax. I got you.
Oh, so much.
Good. Go on your stomach for me.
I love you, Dr. Megan.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Jesus.
You okay?
Yeah.
Good. We're gonna be over here when we get here to this side.
Oh.
Good.
Mommy. Whoa.
And let's come to the other side.
Oh.
Good there. Okay. Let's see you lay on your side like you're sleeping. I want this side up, facing the pink wall. This way. Other way. Mhm. That's what we need to do. Nope. Let me keep your leg. I got you. Straighten this one. Good. Relax your belly. Look this way.
Get like my. Oh.
Good. Here. Good. And straighten this one. Where's the face there? Good.
Oh.
Good. Look up. Look up. Awesome. Y'all done.
Nice.
How you feel?
How do I put this on? Like I gotta keep doing this more often.
Yeah. You do need